All right, so I'm in my studio today. A little box arrives, a little package, a little gift from Canon. Thank you, Canon. Look what's in it. I like that. I like that sound. It's not the lens, it's my ring on said lens. It's probably not by design, but I like it. All right, got this today. You know, if you're a Canon shooter, you're looking for that one focal length. You know the focal length. I'm gonna peel this off. I don't know if you can see it here. Can you see that? .135. But it gets better. 1.8. 135, 1.8. I don't know if I'm supposed to rip the stickers off or not, but they're gone now. There's nothing you can do about it. All right, we got this 135, 1.8. If you are a Canon shooter, you know for a portrait lens, you have been dying for this on the RF platform. So we got it here today. We're gonna go do a little photo shoot. We got an awesome outfit. We're downtown St. Louis. We got a beautiful model. Let's put this lens to the test, to its paces, through its paces, something like that. Let's go do it. I'm so excited. We've got Reagan. You can't see her yet, but she's gonna look amazing. She's got a top hat, black dress, black thing. I don't know what it's called, but it's here. Looks good. Beads. Can we call it beads? Is it beads?
Yeah.
Yeah? What is it? Don't leave me hanging like this. What is it? It's beads. We're going with beads. They look amazing. Can't wait to shoot her. We're gonna get this incredible portrait of her. Fun fact about Reagan, by the way, she's never modeled before, so she has no idea how to model. We found her at a Culver's. We're getting cheeseburgers, me and my wife. It wasn't creepy, I promise, because I didn't ask. That would be creepy, like, hey, wanna be a model? I didn't do that. Alyssa did it. Alyssa was creepy. That's fine. She's a female to female creepy. It washes itself out. It's negative. It's like two negative numbers in mathematics. All right, talking too much. Let's go shoot. All right, so look, why are you so much taller than me? Yeah, squat down so I don't look so, there you go, thank you very much. It looks better. Maybe I go up here? No, it looks worse. Okay, we are here with Reagan. Reagan, tell them a story so they don't think I'm lying. How'd we find you?
So I was at work, I took their order, they didn't say anything. And then Alyssa came up to me and she's like, do you want to model? And I was like, yes, so excited, willing to do it.
But it wasn't creepy, right? Because I didn't do it. Right, if I would have done it, would have been creepy? Okay, well that's
cool people.
That's the perfect answer, Reagan. Perfect. And how you doing? Your first time modeling? You having a good time?
I'm having fun, so much fun.
All right, let's keep doing it. All right, sorry for the noise. It's quite noisy down here. We are in downtown St. Louis. I've got highway going by. For whatever reason, they're doing lawn work in the abandoned part of town, whatever. So, dude, that lens, 135, Canon, bringing the heat. So excited about this new lens. I don't even know what to say. I know that I don't think I'm gonna be sending this back to Canon anytime soon. There were delays in the mail. It's COVID, things happen. Couldn't make it back to you in time, sorry Canon, but I got a few photo shoots I gotta use this on. We'll see you in the next video.